Welcome to a world where your expertise can make workplaces safer and healthier. Imagine being the key to preventing accidents and safeguarding colleagues. This is your chance to become that essential professional with 3CIR's Diploma of Work, Health, and Safety. Whether you're aspiring to be a work health and safety manager, a senior safety officer, or a WHS practitioner, this course is your stepping stone. Dive into a curriculum that's rich and comprehensive. Learn to identify and mitigate hazards, develop WHS programs in compliance with legal standards, and lead in health and safety incident investigations. From managing psychological health and safety to emergency procedures, this diploma covers it all. And the best part? It opens doors to numerous industries, from construction to manufacturing. Join the ranks of successful graduates who have made significant impacts in their workplaces. Your journey to becoming a work health and safety expert starts here. Visit 3CIR's website, explore the course in detail, and enroll today. Be the change and lead the way to a safer tomorrow.